Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you think shrimp couldn't get any better, just wait until you try my jalapeno pepper shrimp. Okay guys, so for the recipe you're going to need 2 pounds of large shrimp. You can remove all of the shells or leave them on, but just make sure to fully clean them to remove all of the poop. I personally like to remove the nervine as well, but that will all depend on what and how you prefer to eat your shrimp. Once your shrimps are clean, rinse them under cold water to make sure everything is nice and clean. Honestly, this is probably the most time consuming part of the recipe, but in my opinion, it's also the most important step, unless you don't mind eating a little caquita. After rinsing, place the shrimp in a kitchen towel or paper towels and pat them dry. Once they're dry, transfer to a bowl and thoroughly clean and sanitize your work area. Returning to the shrimp, we're going to season with 1 teaspoon each of garlic salt, lemon pepper, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. Give everything a good toss until every shrimp is fully coated with all of that flavor. Next, add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Toss again until each shrimp is fully coated, then set them aside while we prepare the rest of our ingredients. Now let's move on to our veggies. Finely mince 2 garlic cloves, chop 1 large onion into large chunks, and slice 2 jalapeños into rounds. Once everything is prepared, we're ready to take it to the stove. Set a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add enough oil to cover half of the shrimp. Once the oil is nice and hot, shake off any excess coating from the shrimp and carefully place them into the oil. Fry the shrimp for about 1 minute per side, working in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. Don't worry, we're not trying to cook them all at once. Giving them a little space is what's going to help them get perfectly crispy. Once the shrimps are done, remove them from the pan and place them in a wire strainer or on a paper towel lined plate to drain any excess oil. Once done, carefully remove most of the oil from the pan along with any burnt bits from the coating. Reduce the heat to medium and add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the onion and jalapeños, give everything a good mix, and let them cook for about 2 minutes or until the onions begin to soften and become fragrant. Next, add a few dashes of Maggi or soy sauce, a little salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. If you don't want this to be very spicy, it's okay to skip on them. Lastly, add the minced garlic and give everything a good mix. Now let all those flavors come together for a minute. Your kitchen at this point smells so good. Now add the crispy shrimp back into the pan and toss everything together until each shrimp is coated in all that buttery, garlicky jalapeno goodness. And just like that, we have our delicious jalapeno pepper shrimp. You can serve this as an appetizer for family and friends or turn it into a fully meal by serving it over a bed of fluffy white rice. Either way, I promise you it's absolutely delicious. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here is seriously my favorite way to enjoy my shrimp. They're spicy, full of flavor, and ready in no time. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Now of course we need a little jalapeno there. So just like that, so we can experience the whole thing. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make quick and easy camarones con jalapeños. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you make this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.